everyone, welcome to Cook with Asimi. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this delicious vanilla and chocolate cookies at the comfort of your home with just 4 ingredients, and also how you can make money from it by just selling this. So let's start with the video. You are going to measure out your sugar. For this, I'll be using sugar. This sugar are actually big grain sugar. So what do? I'm going to blend it into powdery form because I don't want, when people are eating the cookies, they should be feeling the sugar grains in it. Nobody likes that. Everybody likes melt in your mouth cookies. They'll be wondering, how did you do this? That's what I want. So you can see how powdery I grounded this sugar to be. Then I'll be adding margarine because it's more affordable, and then I'll just add it. If you have a turning stick, you can actually make do with this. You don't need to use a mixer. But because I want to quickly make this video, that's why I did this. I actually have a video in which I used turning stick to do it, and it came out perfectly. So after mixing, that's what I got. I just mixed for 5 minutes, and then I added 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor because I want that cookies to taste really nice. So how many ingredients have you counted? 3, Abby? Okay. So we are going to add flour to this, and always make sure to save your flour. If you are a subscriber on this channel, you know that I'm always particular about you saving your dry ingredients. Then you're just going to use a spoon or whatever you have at home. Everybody has a spoon, so just mix everything together, and then I'll be measuring and sieving out another 2 cups of flour, and I'm just going to use my spoon to just mix everything. You are going to mix it so it looks like this. So you can see that the margarine is not standing on one side, and also the flour is not standing on one side. Everything has mixed. So we are going to add water. This is just normal temperature water, the regular water. Then I'm just going to join everything together. This water is not enough, so what am I going to do? I'm going to add a little bit. Please be very careful about this water quantity. Yes, be very careful. So I'm just going to mix everything. This water quantity is enough for me. I'll just join everything together. You can see how it's joining perfectly. Yes, this is the consistency you want your cookies to give you. Look at it. So it's not stretchy and it's not crumb-like texture. Do you understand? Like, it's not crumbling in nature and it's not stretchy. Just the perfect consistency. So I'm going to get a flat surface, and then I'm going to just put flour on it so that the dough is not going to stick on the surface. Then I'm just going to use my turning stick. My turning stick is like a multi-purpose. Instead of rolling pin, I actually prefer using my turning stick because it's light. So I'm just going to use it to just spread out the cookie dough. You can see how our cookie is coming together. Then I'm just going to get this cutter. This cutter is actually easy and cheap to get in the market. I got a pack of 12 of different size for 2,500 naira. So you can see that it's relatively affordable. Then I'm just going to cut it out. You can see this cookie star is looking fine. This is actually a very beautiful cookie. Then I'm going to add it into a greased pan. This greased pan, I greased it with margarine, and I used flour to just flour the surface so that the cookies will be able to come out from the pan. Then I'm just going to do this for the other ones because I want these cookies to have different shape, as you saw at the beginning of the video. Is this a star shape? Yeah, I think this is a star shape. So I'm just going to cut it out and then remove the rough edges from it. You can see how nice this is going. Please, if you've gotten to this point of the video, what are you waiting for? I'm sure you've been enjoying this video so far. Please like, comment and subscribe to this channel. I promise you premium content, like valuable content that you actually enjoy. So I'm going to add this into a pot with stand. You can actually use you can use salt, whatever, and then just bake for 20 minutes on low heat. But because we want to make chocolate cookies, we don't like regular things, we like upgraded things. So I'm just going to add cocoa powder into this dough and then just mix it. When you mix it properly, this is what you get actually. audio sites would have actually changed to a chocolate cookie dough. Can see everything is very incorporated. So I stretched it out, and I'm just going to use my cookie cutter to just cut out the shape. Look at this chocolate. Would you know that it's just cocoa powder I used for it if you don't watch this video? Of course, you are not going to know. And that's the beauty of baking, is that you just sit down, think, how can I make things better? Yes, and this is another reason I'm saying that is the beauty of baking. I was just thinking about this, that this is looking so plain. Why can't I just add a specific design to it? So I just got this knife and I just put like the slant shape on it to make the cookies more beautiful and creative. Do you understand? Like, just do things you will actually enjoy it when it comes out. And then I'm just going to bake this for 20 minutes on low heat, and after 20 minutes is what you get. So after 20 minutes on low heat, 20 minutes is enough. Even 80 minutes is enough for your cookie. It doesn't take long on fire. This is what you get: this beautiful chocolate cookie and this vanilla butter cookie. These are actually butter cookies, and they were so nice to taste. It wasn't so hard. That's what I actually realized. It was not so hard, but it was crunchy, but it was not so hard. I don't know how to explain it. Like, if you make yours, you understand what I'm saying. So to all my people who are business minded, how can you make money from this? It's very easy. You're just going to do your cost breakdown. How much did it take for you to buy sugar, for you to buy butter, for you to buy flour and vanilla flavor, and your gas and your transport to the market? That's all. How many pieces of cookies did you get from this? You calculate it. If you check my previous video, I have a lot of videos on how to do cost breakdown for different pastry products. You can actually sell this at your own price. You can sell this for 100 naira, you can sell it for 200 naira, whatever your cost breakdown gives you to sell each of these cookies. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate you.